time.
Oh, you get to pet animals, and I love animals.
But Miracos, thank you again for that. I greatly appreciate you. So craft fireworks. And on top of that, there's an ongoing. Oh,
We're gonna pet the cat. We're gonna pet the cat.
There's an ongoing major quest to craft a very specific outfit in game called a miracle outfit. And I've slowly begun collecting the materials for that, even though it takes a long time. Because why not? All right. Oh, bunnies. Sorry, is the current quest we're doing. So I'm gonna run over to that. Now, you can skip this cinematic, but why in the absolute hell would I ever do that? I love it. We found bunny fluff. So here I go. Hey, little buddy, don't mind me. We're gonna be best friends. Ha ha ha. Give me your feathers! She's living my dream. She's living my dream! Thanks, buddy. ID spot, so good luck. Because you're not running away now. Yeah. And hopefully he drops his essence. Essence is the rare material that we need. And I need one more. Yes, we got it! Dawn Fluff Essence. Heck yeah. Because